Good morning, all of you. Myself, Ayush Kumar. I am here to state some news, top news of India. First news is related to national security, and second news is related to economy, and third news is related to health, and fourth news is related to education, and fifth news is related to commerce and trade and commerce. Now, in we see all news we see in details. My first news is the national security and policy. Deadly Kashmir's attacks raises tensions between the India and Pakistan. This incident happens on the 23 April. A militant attacks in the Pahalgam regions of Kashmir killed 26 people and including 24 Indian tourists and 2 security officers. The India has directly blames to Pakistan for these militant attacks. The India suspended the Indus Waters Treaty and shut down the Atari Bagh borders. The PM Modi directly said that every terrorist and their backers will be identified and give punishments. And my second news is related to the economy. The private sector's growth heights in 8 months. The HSBC Flash India's composite PMI rose the 62.2 in April from the 61 points in March, the highest in the 8 months. The growth in the manufacturing exports, particularly in the electronic products and the automobiles parts, the strong domestic demands especially in the service like the banking and the transports, and also increasing the employment in the private sectors. And my third news is related to the national trade and diplomacy. India-US trade talks intensity. US Vice President J.D. Vance visited New Delhi for the highest level of trade and discussions. The main topic of that discussions is the avoiding the US tariffs on the Indians and the trade and teaches the exports and negotiating the bilateral trades argument aiming to the double trades to 500 billions by 2013. The main motto of that talking is to focus on the clean energy and the semiconductors and the defense technology. And my fourth news is environmental education in India. The Ministry of Education has integrated the environmental education across in all levels. The first in the primary schools, the teacher teaches us the natural walls, waste segregations, water conservations. In middle schools, the ecosystems, pollutions, the climate change. In high schools, the biodiversity, renewable energy, the sustainable developments and their laws. Environmental education is not only teaches only in science, it also teaches in the geography, civics and even in the language classes. And my fifth news is related to the health. Government launched a national-wide mental health programs. The main motto of that programs to overcome the silent mental health crime crisis in India, launching on the 24/7 national mental health helplines, collaborating with the NGO and also some private company to support in the rural area. The causes of that programs to overcome the depressions and anxiety especially in the youths. Now, I hope my all news will end it. I hope you always together with my news, and thank you for watching my videos.